Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, CBGB Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin, and this is our project BMW Z3. One of the most enjoyable things about being in a car is listening to the music. And one of our most viewed videos is the audio upgrade. Today, we're going to revisit that by replacing the speakers behind the seats.
The speaker locations in the Z3 aren't very good. There are speakers down in the footwell and directly behind the seats. The speakers behind the seats are 4 inches and they don't produce a lot of mid-range.
This is a stock size speaker. This is what we bought. The stock speakers don't give us a lot of mid-range, and we bought a bigger speaker in hope of more mid-range.
Let's get started. Don't forget to pay attention to the polarities. If you watched our previous audio upgrade video, you will remember that we had to alter the stock grille to fit the aftermarket speaker. Now, he had to alter it further to work with the bigger speaker.
This is the original grille. You can see it has a line here. We will cut on this line so it can fit the bigger speaker. As you can see, this broke into 3 parts, which is less than stellar. Old plastic can be brittle. Let's see if we can get this to work. It snapped into place and seems to be secure. Let's see if we can get the speaker to fit. We wired it and double checked the polarity. We screwed it in and the trim isn't going anywhere. Now let's see how it sounds. That was pretty straightforward, took around half an hour, and still looks OEM. We think it sounds better, and it might be a bit louder.
That's it for this video. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.